Lovers, pagkas na magkalagin no, and my playtime. Pasok tayo sa bahay. Aray, ilag ko. May mukha ko to ah. Tumbling, 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 tumbling. Yeah. Ya, kalak ka. Take a bath. Ano pa yung tagad? Puta banjamas. Turn on computer. Let's start up the computer. Kulay blue. What is that noise? It better not be the computer. Oh no, did mom just wake up? I just remember I forgot to do the chores. Yo pa mamalong. Saan? What did you just to say? Ah, but mom, I wait to play this game. No, you have chores to do. Remember if you get hindi ko kayo basahin. Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe I can take out the trash and play after. Huh? Pwede ba to? Or play your favorite game. Okay. Haha, ayoko. Suntin yung mga sinasabi mo. Mga sinasabi mo. Mga sinabi mo. Amin mo. Amin nani. Amin nani. Amin nani. No. Una! Bad ending pala yun. Okay. Grabe yung mukha naman. Finally, how much decided to put me off this. Let's get off this bus. Alam ko na yung gagawin ko dito. Apa yan? Yeah! Let's start up the computer. What is that noise? It better not be the computer. Oh no, did mom just wake up? I just remember I forgot to do the chores. What did I just say to yesterday? Ah, but mom, I wait to play this game. No, you have chores to do. Remember, if you get them done quickly,
Dad?
Oh, oh, you're right. Maybe I can take out the trash and play after. Take it out pala ko. Ito. Trash out. Nasaan yun?
I don't know.
Yes. Ito muna. Ito muna. Tapos ito na. Yeah. Gabi na pala. Talk to mom. I have taken out the trash. Can I please play? No, no. Let's go. Okay, mom. No problem. Give mom a cup of water. Ang kulay violet. Ano to si Titan TV man? Thank you very much. Now please, can I play? No. Why? Press unclog the toilet. It's been clogged. Fine. Tatakpan ko yung toilet para walang makakita. Yeah! Gok, 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 gok. Talk to mom. Okay, mom. Take some. Son, can I play now? Let me think about that. Ako nag-iisip pa. No. Why? You need to mop the floors first, bro. Okay, then mop the puddles. Saan yung mop? Ito, mop. Uy. 2 plus 5 equals 6. Ay, 7. Isa na lang. Yan, tapos na. Can I play now? Wow, that was quick. I think you need something more challenging. No, I don't. That's enough. No excuse. This boy good. Yun na ba sa lahat? Make mom some dinner. Make mom dinner. Burger. Wala ako Robux Uy, baka mahirap. Uy, tama na. Dalawa lang burger, sana lang isa. Hey ma'am, here is your... Wow, I'm sorry, nagkamali ako sa here. Nyam. How that was good, thanks. Kaya ng Minecraft yun Talk to mom. So does tell me. Okay. Not forget, boy. Please go refer. Bro! Hey, not like that. Okay, fine, sorry. Uy, the car. Fuel. Bakit ayaw? Fuel the car? Hey. Something? What is it? Hindi ko nabasa lahat. That is it. Yan, nag-aaway na sila. Bad ending ba yun? Part ending. Ano ginawa ko? Kala ko good ending yun. Part ending pala yun. Kupo, ano ba yun? Oo. Ito ang pipiliin ko. Need more hit. Favorite ko to eh. Yun yung natapos ko. Good ending. Good ending. Yan yung natapos ko na good ending. Go tell Father you're sick. Father, I am feeling unwell. Perhaps it would be an erroneous decision to allow me to be a potential disease. Ayoko na din yung sanay. May I suggest staying at home instead. Let me see. $36.5. You are okay. Get ready for school. I'll be here if you need me. A minute. I need to find a way to convince him. Oh, I know if I turn on the lights in my bedroom, my body temperature will go up and Father will allow me to stay. Turn on every light in your room. Yeah. Good. Father, I reached the thermometer displayed the wrong temperature. Good. I perhaps suggest trying one more time. Okay. $37.0. It's a bit more than before, but nothing to worry about. Go to school. I need more heat. Let's turn on every light inside the house. Dara, ano natin mga Yok, sarado na. Itantayin mo na tayo, nautok na ako. Michael, did you eat yet another extra spider? Ultra hyper gas in missing flower cat. Yes, butter. I bought one yesterday. Really, and you didn't share it with me. I was unaware that you wanted some. What an full excuse. Well, if you ate the whole burrito yourself, now you must suffer all the family yourself. Does that mean I can stay at home, Father? No. May ilaw ba dito? Ayun. Hey! What there? I truly am convinced that I am inspired today. G. 37.7. You're fine. Go have breakfast and take a bath. Oh, that's a wonderful idea, Father. Wonderful idea. Have breakfast and take a bath. Rato tayo ko. But I must request of you and detect my temperature again. Hi. 40.2. No problem here. You must go to school. Go change your clothes in your bedroom. Your clothes. Napindot ko. Go tell Father you're sick. Father, I simply lied. Huh? Yes, I know your temperature. 40.7. You are not sick. Oh dear, this will be harder than I thought. Maybe I need to keep the heat inside the house. Close all window. Heating on. Nasaan yung heating on? Asan yung mga heating on? dito. Wala dito. Ang bintana dito. Let's see the kids. Nasaan na lang eh? Nasaan na kayo? Ito. You're sick. Father, I request another measurement of my temperature. 46.7. You're fine. And you're finally ready to go to school. So go now or you miss the bus. Still not enough? Good. I will skip school one way or another. Turn on the stove and every bucket with hot water. Oy, wag niyo itong gas, wag niyo itong gagawin na. Turn the stove. Ay, hindi pala. Kala ko ito yung bucket. Dito. Tapos, umaratot-tarot-tarot. Umaratot-tarot-tarot. Ano to? Bad ending ba to? Father, huh? Still here, I thought you had early left. It's very early. Alright, Father, you appear distraught. Yes, I am fine. Anyways. 52.7. You are fine now. Go. What the heck? Uy. What else can I do? Oh, I know the fireplace. Burner. Hey, Ducky, hindi kita iiwan. Nga. Nanga! O, yan na yun. Nanga! 57.7. There's nothing wrong with you. That's it. Stuff gets serious now. Put a fork in the... Oy, huwag niyo itong gagawin na. Sasabog yan. Takbo. Ito tayo. Hindi ba sasabog yan? Ito. 57.7. You're not sick. I need more heat. Burn a car. Mutot. Tara na. You're sick. Naku tayo. 97.7. You have to go to school. Orange is surrounding. Your garden. K.O. Eleprano. Fill the pool with lava. Pray. Master of Flames is precious. Hear my prayer. Aray! Ang sakit! Sakit naman nito! Demonyo! Impyerno ata ito eh! Pinapatulog. Ayun! Yan. 2022.7. My goodness, that's a lot of feather. Is that so, Father? Wait, no. I'm sad that you are fine, actually. I don't even know what to say. I'm so bamboozled. I cannot think of anything to insert my temperature. Maybe there's something on TV that can help me. Find something helpful on TV. No. Yes! 321. 456. That's nothing to worry about. I did not. This. Portfolio ko. What is your choice, Father? Hold the sun closer with a rope. So it's come to this. You first need to do this, Father. One. Go. Two. Yeah, hila. Father, what is my temperature? 85. Lumayan. Oh, there you were right all along. You have a mild fever. I guess you can stay home today. Alright, Father. Yes. Good and